After a well-deserved rest, it's back to business for Team India as they take on New Zealand in the World Test Championship final on the 18th of June. This encounter culminates 3 years of hard work in the Test arena for the men in blue, and today at Man's Life we take a look at one of the stars for India along the way. Rishabh Pant's incredible journey to the WTC final began on day 3 of the Adelaide Test versus Australia. The embarrassment of the 36 all-out forced India's hand, with Pant replacing Wriddhiman Saha in the 11 to beef up India's brittle batting. What followed, as they say, is history, as Pant played 2 of the grittiest knocks in the history of Indian cricket to help India register arguably their greatest series victory. The first knock came in Sydney, where Pant's dramatic counter-attack helped India pull off the great escape with a game-changing 117-ball 97. Pant took the Aussie bowlers to the cleaners, and his fight back set the platform for India to pull off an unimaginable heist on day 5. Then came the fabled innings in Brisbane, where Pant once again walked in on the final day with India on the back foot. Unlike Sydney though, the left-hander exercised more caution and attacked the bowlers with a surgeon's precision. Pant finished with an unbeaten 89 as India chased down the 328-run target and breached the Gabba fortress to secure a historic 2-1 victory down under. Following that tour to Australia, Pant continued to be the dynamic force with the bat against England, but also took his wicket-keeping to another level in tough home conditions. Pant scored a terrific 91 in the first Chennai Test and carted Jack Leach all around the Chepauk Stadium with absolute disdain. Then came an even more audacious knock in the first Ahmedabad Test, where his century rescued India from a tricky situation and took them to an unassailable lead within the space of an hour. Pant went into beast mode with the second new ball to completely deflate the English bowlers. From flashes of genius at the Test arena, at the Oval in 2018 and Sydney in 2019, Pant has converted his promise into consistent performances in 2021, and he's currently the second highest run scorer in this calendar year with an average of 64. 2021 will forever be remembered as the dawn of the Rishabh Pant era, and there's plenty more to come from the maverick keeper batsman. The left-hander will be one of the key men for Virat Kohli's side against New Zealand in the World Test Championship final, and we can certainly expect plenty of heart-stopping moments and fireworks galore with him at the crease. For more content from the world of sport, entertainment, lifestyle and auto, head across to manslife.in.